traffic right now, merging on to one of these freeways, as you can see. So that's what we're doing right now. So I come in my sister's house, and this is my niece. She in her Amazon Hamilton. Alright, I gotta cut this off before I get copyright. She's cooking. She's making her auntie some salmon. I came right on time. Wow. Wow. My baby did that. My niecey who did that. Go Chi Chi. Thank you. I'm about to throw down. No. We're back together again. She said, well, look at this cool car in front of me. Old school, but it stink. It's full of fumes. Oh man, we're just chilling. Good morning, good morning. It's Thursday. I'm about to walk my dog. And it's about 7:30. We're gonna get this day started. So, there's Minx. She's about to come do her thing. This is the start of our day. Get up and walk. I'm gonna make my coffee. And I'm working from home today, so I'll be setting up. It looks so bad, I know, but it's okay. I'll lead with the fit. He's the greatest. Minx, what you doing? Oh, was that time? Excuse her. Let her have her business. What's up? So I'm about to make me some coffee before I get this day started. I gotta clock in at 9. So I have my cup of coffee ready. What kind of coffee do you guys drink? I like Starbucks. Just did an aloe vera treatment in my hair. All you do is just take the leaves. Usually I cut it up and blend it, but today I did a quick one. Just sliced it, rub it against my hair, in between on my scalp, part it. You let it sit on there for about 30 minutes or how long you want it. That could be your leave-in conditioner or your pre-rinse. I gotta wash my hair because my hair is dirty. What's up? So I'm setting up for work. That's how I do. This is my spot. Hey everybody, so I'm still working. It's about 10 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm on a Zoom. This is our quarter divisional meeting, and this is what I'm sitting through. Ugh. So boring. Well, I wish I could do it. Had a busy day at work. Say hi, Minx. She's old, guys. She's 15 years old. All that gray hair. She's old, but she act like a puppy. Oh, that gray hair. That's my dog. That's my dog. What up? I'm about to make me a smoothie. I got my fruit over here prepped. I got some blueberries, some strawberries, green apple, turmeric. It's good to fight fat. And pineapples. And some ginger. Ginger is good for ya. I'm all about that clean eating, clean life. It's part of my lifestyle. It's not a fad. It's part of my lifestyle. I'm still on my Zoom and my computer just cut off on standby. It's getting tired of them talking too. Hold on. Gotta make sure that I don't get called on like, Shahana, are you here? Okay. There's some berries. A couple of pieces of pineapple. Now I don't want it too sweet. And that turmeric. Oh, I need some water. I have a water cooler over there. You see it. Take some of that sweetness away. Been so busy. I gotta get a workout in later. I usually just like to put it in my shaker. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? I ain't making no fruit smoothie. What the fuck? I forgot the spinach. Crazy. Already rinsed. It's already rinsed. So don't be coming for me. I use open the bag, rinse it, and keep it open. OMG, I was about to have a thing full of fruit. My first time ever forgetting to put the spinach in. I hope it blends well. Might have to put some more water in there. It's a lot. See how that is. I make a lot. Usually I make just that amount. The girl's slipping. It worked out. I don't do. I have nothing against it. But just a fruit drink, I need some spinach in it. Minx, go eat your food.
Give me a chance to spend some quality time with my family, which I'm looking forward to doing. So,
One of the directors that he's retiring. Hopefully next time I check in with you, I'll be off of work or to be after 5. And then I'm gonna get a quick workout in. I gotta work out. I gotta get this body right. My birthday's coming up. And the body is already right. I'm bloated today, but ain't gonna let that stop me. That shit be trying to play with me. But I'm like, fuck you bloating. I'm gonna push your shit out, and my body's still gonna be fine because I stay ready. And I'm gonna let y'all watch me work. See what I do. Keep it sexy and tight. All right, guys. I'll hit y'all back in a few. I'm gonna call you back, all right? Peace. What's up? I'm so mad right now. I deleted footage of my workout, so I can't insert this vlog. I'm so upset. Nice workout too. And deleted all the footage. I was cleaning up my phone, all my gadgets, my phone, my iPad, my computer, everything, just getting rid of so I can have some space. And I deleted it and deleted it from the garbage, so it's gone. So I'm still working from home. Today I'm working from home. I go into the office on Monday. I go in every couple of days. Potatoes done. Yes, my breakfast. That's all I want. I don't eat eggs. I don't eat a lot of the common breakfast meals. And on the vegetables, I'm gonna do a vegetable Mary. Have some yellow green peppers, broccoli. Do some Brussels sprouts, carrots, red pepper, and spinach that's in the refrigerator. Post office. So trying to get a flat rate, but I need a bigger size. So that's what I'm waiting on right now. My cheap ass was trying to see if I can send it back to them cheaper than the price that they're charging me to send it back. But because they're overseas, it's gonna be more. So, all right, back to the crib. Light hitting. You see the light? Stop rated. It's 5 o'clock. I'm off the clock. Shout out to Sharita. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and come back, okay? Come back and see me. Thank you so much for your support. Talk to you soon.